this toy. So I got a new toy for your friends, and it's going to be very awesome. If you smash that red button in 3 seconds, can you guess it? In 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my gosh, did you guess it? Well, that's good. Let's just open it. In 3, 2, 1, go! Look, this is a Bugatti and it has a remote controller. And look at this Bugatti, huh? It's very, very awesome, right? Do you think it? Do you think so? It's really awesome. Okay, so here you are. Let's open it up. Over there with this that toy. This is a Bugatti, huh? And it's a remote control car. And its top speed is 200 miles per hour, I guess. And that's a lot, right? Do you think, friends, that is a lot of speed? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to open up. I can't wait to open up. And let's open from this side. So this is the charger, and this is the batteries. And I'm going to show you more. Can you open it? We need a little backup for this, huh? Okay, Mom, can you help me to open this side of the box? And here we got a remote controller, and we got this Bugatti, and it's very awesome. Do you think it is really awesome? Do you think, friends, it is very awesome? Whoa, yeah! Can't wait to open up. So let's put the charger in here. So let's put these batteries, and we need a little backup for this. Okay, Mom. Okay, so Mom, can you help me? Say hello to my citizens, huh?
Hello friends,
And
I'm just helping Sharo get stuff open.
so this is the open windows. As you can see, they open and close. If you press this, all the operations will work. Do you see, friends? It is awesome. Do you see it can run? And do you see the front? It looks absolutely cool, huh? It looks absolutely cool. But look at the lights. Very awesome. It is very awesome.